Country people them, last one inside October moon, Pidgin News. We don't start inside with strong number them for this afternoon. We go take una go for Bojongo. Wanna go remember that place where they broke more than 500 people them house. Sabi say the case you never finish. As so the here another side for that story. Now say the person where he get that place where he claim forget he been a fake. As so they try for talk This one he come out now for press conference where it happen when a civil society people them where they dey on top the case they broke now for cathedral that one he pass. Story 2 for this afternoon, we go take una, we go for place where them call say waiting inside Douala here. We take una enter for a cup where B they don't go give them book for picking them for learn book. Inside story 2 for this afternoon, we go take una enter for plenty thing them where newspaper them they bring them for we this afternoon. And Sabi say big part of inside story the tell we say make you fear person where he give you clothes. If he dey naked, say fear person where he give another person clothes for wear where he says he dey naked. Big part talk he come out now for chair. Divine he dey walk inside Douala here. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Now the last one this for inside this moon for October. Fair last Pidgin News will be making for ya. And just for Sabi to say, it come now just day before big day for Cry Die, National Day for Cry Die. It come for inside we country. Story for this afternoon, we go take una go first. Now for that side, so for Cathedral for Aqua, where people them for inside Bojongo, they detox everything, they want na justice. All the people them so, as so you see them says it dey so they be na people there where they no day for inside their own house again, for side for Bojongo, for Douala, for subdivision. When I go member, will be shown concerning these people them, civil society people them say they don't take the matter, and after investigate, it is show say person where he come out all the people them for their land for Bojongo, it been a person where be the use na fake donkey and they never give no power. So inside the press conference where happen for inside Cathedral, where even His Grace Samuel Kleda, he be get person where be shidon for a place, he be then for make these people them sabi say they so, then it also continue for follow up on top this palaver where it dey so it cause trouble. Sabi say more than 500 people them they broke their house for that side for Bojongo. For Douala for subdivision. Make we hear just now one of the people them where they try for Tewi outside this Donga men as we they fight. It never finish for land for Bojongo.
Them say they don't broke our houses for Bojongo for Bonaberi. So today so we want to say all population know thing where they happen, thing where they pass. Because population want to say government know about this problem. Population wants say government take this problem in charge, because population, most of them today they sleep now for route, they not get nowhere to go, and most of that population they be then anglophone where they be stay for day, and where they don't welcome their brothers and their sisters, where they don't come from southwest due to what we know at that side. So for one house you feel meet up like 25%. So where they come broke them so for rainy season. Where COVID there for upside, where school they come, and I said them go for outside. Now why most of them up to today so then they still for route. Then don't make folk for that dossier. So you want to say government look I talk true, make say justice, talk true for the titre foncier. For Mr. Kandem, we have been a 4 titre foncier. So we want to say government talk true, justice talk true, for say that population, they come back for their land. And say, secondly, Mr. Kandem, where he can bro people, say government look a case for say he pay all that suffer where he don't suffer that population. We don't see and say,
And just for Sabi say on top this case for inside that Bojongo, as una don't hear, it been a chapter where they so the population now they call now from governor where they so it give power for the person for go broke people them for it to for put the people them for better condition. Make we hear wait the people them here inside that chapter as una Sabi for Bojongo. Just now we go take una go for inside New Bell. For New Bell we'll be talk for now this palaver for house where it be broke. It be then yesterday and small correction on top this chapter will be bringing for now yesterday. It be na 17 this house where it broke at least as so here the three people them where it is so they be come out them they be get caught. It means say they never die yet as we to already enter for we here so now three people them where they get caught after with the house it fall for that side so for New Bell. Sabi say according to the population for New Bell they try for talk say it is so this house it shows say the material where they take build the house na it is so it be weak it no be overthrown where if it happen if it hold story building so that the thing that way it cause so the main story for Sekawawa turn back for him na just for talk say the three people them where they talk say it is so they die they get caught and they say so they alive as we story it just the enter we here for that side so for New Bell after this house it be fall on Thursday. And one of the other chapter will be bring am for now this pa now the pa this way say be the stay for Saudi house he fall but lucky pa he come out he no get no cut for his skin pa the surprise say the house he fall where he don't get cut for people them but no nothing he no do that repay what na the see so now only one he come out where he no get cut for that house where he fall for New Bell. We go take una go now so for place where they call them for Douala here. Wanna Sabi say just now plenty school picking them they di hear bad. Man picking they by force them chop them soya and on top that one it don't show say time it don't reach where school picking them they get for Sabi when they touch them they go talk for their teacher when some person even talk some kind of thing for them they go talk for insights a teacher them. Now for Sikawai that way for Douala here they gather girl picking them we all them they did for college for talk for them barrister Tamfu Richard where he say being a barrister he did there for talk with this school picking them. Sabi say according to where they talk for the picking them now for 17 made they Sabi the kind of clothes or the kind of way where they wear their clothes. This time we see girl picking he go wear short trousers he go jake and sote all his skin he go the show mark. When man picking he see that kind of thing man picking way his skin in the hot plenty automatic when the man picking he see that kind of thing now the thing that way go make he go towards that girl so they want all the girl them say any kind of style whether some person knock your backside or he knock your bobby make you try for the report so that the thing he no go now only for before as well they be the talk for them too they say make they Sabi as well they go wear clothes no wear trousers you jab trousers right for your belly for say make all your part them print for your skin say that one he no fine. Make we hear wait to one of the teacher them he talk concerning this school where they teach girl picking them on top by force chopping of soya.
Will house them and for other plenty place them we picking the over suffer them nowadays. So we get plenty thing the way in the Hamburg community now so where it concern sexual violence like for school milieu you go see picking the workers on the touch bobby touch buttock without permission. Would call and say now unauthorized touching of body parts it not be correct and now we don't say and say the number of cases for rape. Today 1 year say they don't rape picking for year today 1 year say they don't rape picking every day so they think about worry we plenty. Now you don't decide now say we will come on now work out for school them for sensitize picking them may they know say this kind of thing they exist and may they know the causes for this kind of thing then because picking in there so they're picking they dress very poorly so when they dress very poorly so when some man picking they see them so it hamburg their eye and when they
we go take una go from Njombe side. We hear say the overall chief for that side for people them for West Region for inside Njombe. He come up for West Region. He come for right for Njombe side for come put person we go look at the community for Bachengu people them for inside Jombe. So the chief self will be come out for can put the chief for inside Jombe. We go to look at the people them for side from Jombe side as we hear. I will surely the turn back on top that one be sabi. So the talk now the overall chief self for Bachengu community where he come out for West Region. He come for can put the chief for inside and Jombe for Mongo division, and now the chief that way he go the Shidon for here all complain them for Bachengu people them for inside Jombe for Mongo division, and as well their own chief self we come up for West he come now so to all the people them picking them for Bachengu they come out, and the chief he don't talk say he no one here say any person for Bachengu for inside Mongo they catch him where he thief or he do some kind of what in as we Tori enter for inside we hear. Make we hear where the new chief for Bachengu people them for Loom site or Jombe. He talk for Jackie Nomolo.
As you thank you, your chief. You don't talk say you been d'accord with your people. Make you not bring problem tribalism. Say all you worker, any man poor, For my John, say Bamenda, they say Yaoundé, they all people they come. But they come, they work out Bachengu people. They wanna. Yes, that's what we did. I get over programme how we see am so. For rassembler hors famille, ils vont mettre 3 ans où ils donc couler dalle. Man picking the sujet for up.
And just for Sabi, say the overall man, the chief, the paramount chief for all the community. Now SSF become put the small chief for Jombe for chair. We go surely the turn back on top that one where we go meet up on for Monday for inside the Tori house here. We go take on one time. We enter for Kumba for inside Meme division. Even as we cry, it dey for people them eye. It no mean say make picking they no go school. Now for inside a nursery school for gendarme for Kumba day, where the big man for B soldier people then says help. He go there for go see the small picking them for nursery school for gendarme side where they day school where it dey so. Now forgive them waiting. Now B people them where they don't can support this picking them for talks waiting. They turn up for corner young people them for go school so they can give them cheer them with that nursery school gendarme Meridian nursery school. He go to use them, and now the big man for B says help where he come out for go give that in them. And just for Sabi for Sika say inside the chapter for Kumba they be reached to for Cameroon College of Arts and Science Cas Kumba where B people them they give them computer, they give them pen, book, and even other thing them photocopy machine for say may they use them for teach picking them inside Cas Kumba for place where they call them say Meme division. And as soon as Sabi this dash where come up for B them it come na time where people them too for Meme they cry, but the B people them they don't talk say they no feel left they picking them they shidon where they no go school. Inside the same chapter, we go take una go for Ekok for inside the Manu division. Ekok side, big man for B for inside Southwest for Kumba. It no be fit for go there. Man Adimo could go for Ekok. We see them for inside the Kumba. For inside government bilingual school Ekok too. For that side too for Manfe, Manu. The B people them, they sending them for there. Now for 17, made them go see the picking them. They build class them, they give them, and they give that in them. Say make teacher them, they use them, teach this picking them for that side so for Ekok. Now for Manfe inside Manu division Southwest region. We go enter just now for inside Limbe, so for problem for IDP with the ESF say just now some international organization they don't choose na Limbe and Marwa where they help these people them where war it don't force them for come out for their own place. And for Limbe one now for inside there where plenty of this mommy them say they show it. Sabi say the mommy them before the one can be na people there they beg before they chop they be get their own life where they be the shidon where it be dey very fine for them, but after we burning it happen, mommy then says they no be fit for shidon for their village. So just now for outside different place where they the shidon inside Limbe one the mayor says for them where it be them it be talks waiting some international organization where it don't come for can help the internally displaced mommy them and papa them now say waiting 30,000 every after 2 months where they go give them for this mommy them them with the run war, and this one it caused plenty confusion. As well, some people them they be glad this chapter, other people them they be vexed, say their name e no dey for on top the list for seeker say according to them. Pacha, it don't happen for the way they select people them where they go to get that 30,000 every after 2 months. Make we hear some of these people there, they vex. They talk for Davidson Maimo in microphone.
They want to say when I want to help me, they want to leave and go to take people where they take for ya. They fight so. Now what did they fight so very suffer and see for group of Babaji for 1 year, 3 months and wrong to their car sleep for ya. Now once I want to help me, I'm not help me. And I leave and take people for ya. You fight. Now I don't want to go for people.
They come outside the big people they did. Register them be correct. Who are the number one house for me? They are not getting nothing in here. And it's suffer then. They didn't invest in we. They don't know their own people there. Now so government decided to do for who would suffer. They think that people they not suffer. They register them. They live we. It's correct. It's not correct over we. People they need money.
And Sabi Seb say some mommy then day too they be glad for the idea, but just for say say plenty noise. He be there for bad side. Taiwe Maimo be the make that interview. We no go fit for bring am for now. For say the sound, no dey fine. Make we hear wait to a mayor for Limbe 1. My possesses help. He talk for a microphone.
The vets now say yesterday they no be get the information, so they no be get card. How we go do with them? Because now that card will be used and for take that money. Yes, they no say 30,000 no be small money. You don't be blame them, but because we know the things they had. But I just need to beg them to appeal to them. Say, may they first go house. Actually, we no fit touch all man. Yes, but I just say when the population be talk, you need to be calm with them. So I don't really explain them for them. When we don't finish register 300 people for Bonadipo, then if space day, they fit still take some 1 day. We even glad self say inside Cameroon they choose Nalimbe and North. If you work maybe next time, because the exercise there for 1 year. So maybe after 1 year, they will fit take 3,000 IDPs.
Yes, Mayor for inside the Limbe 1, we the talk concerning that chapter for women, the way our international organization, they help them. 30,000 every after 2 months for inside Limbe 1 council. Just now, make we see as way the country they happen. Total number for corona sick people that will get them with John Hopkins University Guiam for the whole world. 44,500,017 people them. 30,059,229 where they don't well, and 1,174,314 people where they don't die. Total inside the whole world as with John Hopkins University Guiam for number 29 day for October month. For place where they call them say South Africa on Thursday na 2,056 new cases for corona sick people. They will doctor them register them for their book and doctor them since when the corona starts they already test 4,777,609 people them, and inside that number 710 people, 770 people they already catch the sick, and 649,935 people do they don't actually well from that sick, while 19,164 people they don't die for South Africa since we corona. He enter for the Buhari own country on Thursday, according to the number the way they doctor them, where they follow up, they put them for outside for Buhari country. Thursday, 150 new cases the way they confirm them. Total number just now since the corona enter Buhari country, 62,521. One the way they don't wear so they come up for sick beds, 58,249, and one the way they don't die since the corona enter for Buhari country, 1,141 people them. We go enter just now for newspaper them two way the day for we before. We go start with Horizon where they talk. Cabral Libi, he provoke Anglophone them. Wait where Cabral Libi talk he say may they make state for emergency for Southwest and Northwest. Inside the same Horizon, you go read Tori, where it concern University for Boya Council, where you don't talk Changut. Say may they open new department them inside the university. Tori then says the day inside Horizon, where it dey outside and with one way consign. Big man for inside treasury for we country. We go come out for Horizon, we enter for the guidance post. Guidance post, it tell we say Anglophone peoples, they get na only smart chingini part for national cake. Wait in the guidance post, they try for me now. You fit enter for day, you read them. Inside the guidance post too, you go read Tori, where it tell we as we ndamba for we country problem. It did plenty as we club them for Elite 1 and 2. Them say they don't come out for talk. Say make professional football league. They broke them. We come up for inside the guidance post. Manadin, we enter for the post. We dey outside. The post weekender. It tell we make them stop the war. Make them stop for the higher people them. For can cry. Say that one, you know go fit for end this plot where it dey throw away for Cameroon. They tell we as well evangelist Grand Tango. He talk where he talk for inside Cape Town. He provoke plenty people them. Tori then says up the day inside the post weekender. Concerning this chapter for people that they hire them for come cry, say may they end war for Southwest and Northwest. Municipal updates where they outside. It talks everything. They no be hire we at all. Now we say will come out for can cry. Guidance post or the post weekender where it talk municipal updates in the answer. And church BB prayer it go happen for Kumba on Saturday for that picking the way they die as we municipal updates. It talk for we. The voice weekend where they outside. It tell we. Papa for Roma, he don't cry too. As we Kumba, blood it throw away. You go read Tori too for inside the voice weekend where it consign we own country. Plenty to read them. The day for the voice weekend. Chronicle Times, now the last one we look for insight. It tell we say wetin make we not turn this cry inside Kumba for being a teen them for do wetin teen them for different country them say that one e go instead the hot mommy them where they cry their picking them. You go read to read them too inside the Chronicle Times where they tell we all thing na matter for all time. Tori day na just for you for go buy this newspaper them for read them. Manadin, I no sabi whether we get announced for person wey don loss for inside that place. But if we no get country people them, we go surely return back for that announce. So we get case for person wey don loss, we will surely turn back for day after. But make una sabi PG News debate. It come for Saturday. Saturday, number 31 day for October moon wey na national day for Kradai. Country people them as on as sabi. Managing before we come out, maybe if we talk this chapter for Cameroon Renaissance Movement woman them too, where they for inside machine. Wanna sabi say on Thursday, woman them for Cameroon Renaissance Movement, they be one make waka for vex, but as well they come out. Police people them, they can chakara them as we see we take na image wey be the dance where they come out for make waka for vex say it dey so they don't tire the killing way they happen for Southwest and Northwest. They say they no want time, but sabi say as well they be the make their waka for go for their big office for Yaoundé. Gendarme they come out, they come drive them, so the last waka they go now for UNESCO office for inside Yaoundé. Now for them they go last see the assistant big man, then they give their message for them. So now the thing that now way people they ask them this chapter for cry picking them for Kumba. Now for say they must to take authorize on some particular group for people them they get for the make waka for cry this picking them. Well now the thing that will happen with woman them for Cameroon Renaissance Movement. On Thursday, as well don't talk PG News debate last one for October, it go come for Saturday. I want to say big thank you for Farrell Bunya, thank you too for Manadine, thank you for Malis and Zephyrin Gonji. We all them they be put one hand for Sise make Tori a waka fine. If Papa God agree, 12:30 Saturday, 31 day for August moon, we go meet up for PG News debate. Wanna hold am tight.